Red wine reduction sauce is always my favorite for beef. Let me start with sauce. These are onion, celery, carrots, and rosemary. Red wine is for sauce. This is called Barbera, grown in the neighborhood, and I think it's about a few meters away from my doorstep where they make this. Let it boil, then we add some more ingredients. Oh, it smells so good. I'm adding meat stock to red wine. I'm adding ketchup instead of sugar. This is to balance the acidity from wine. Reduce it down to about half. While the sauce is boiling or reducing, let me do the meat. Seasoning meat with salt and pepper. This is juniper berries that I'm adding to salt and pepper. The sauce has reduced already, so now let me do the meat. Olive oil, butter, add the meat. Beef sliced very thin, so it's very quick to cook. This probably took me 1 minute on each side. Remove the meat from the pan. Use the same pan where you cook the meat and don't even wash it. And this is the red wine sauce. Secret is revealed, chocolate in red wine sauce. Put the meat back to the pan where the sauce is ready for the meat. Scaloppine di Manzo with red wine reduction. Delicious.